Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. For today's project, I am going to show you how to cut and stitch a designer sleeve for a kurtis. I have folded the fabric widthwise. This is 4 layers. Draw a straight line to cut the raw edges. From this point, mark 4 inches. I am extending these points. From this point, mark 8.5 inch. My armhole round measurement is 9 inch. I am deducting half inch, hence I am marking 8.5. Then I am marking 2 inch for seam allowance. Find and mark the center. From the center, mark half inch above. Now I will join these points. From the center, mark half inch below. Then draw a front armhole curve. From this point, mark 6 inch. Mark 2 inch for seam allowance. Now I will cut it. Now I will trim the front sleeve. Always make sure that right sides are facing together. I am trimming the front sleeve. And this is how it looks. Now I will give slit at the center of the sleeve. I have taken 2 strips. Width is 1.75 inch and length is 13.5 inch. Then I will place these strips at the right side of the fabric. I will make a stitch here. Then I will give a piping and turn the strips for both the sides. Let's start stitching. I am placing the cord at the back side of the strip and I am going to give a stitch. Similarly, I will finish for the other side. I have finished attaching. I have taken a piece of strip. Width is 2.5 inch and length is 4.5 inch. I will place this under the sleeve. From the bottom, mark 3.5 inches. I will make a stitch by keep the sleeve like this. I have finished attaching. Similarly, I will finish for the other sleeves. This is how it looks. Thanks for watching.